So on Tuesday, Leanne read the first 20 pages of a book at the library. Okay, so Tuesday at the library. She read from page 1 all the way to page 20. All right, great. Then she took the book home. So Tuesday at home. And she read it at a rate of 6 pages in 10 minutes. So the rate is 6 pages in 10 minutes. Leanne read at that rate for 45 minutes. Okay, for 45 minutes. Do you see how I'm drawing a picture of everything, taking out key information as I read through, so that way I understand what the question is asking me and what the question is giving me, what information? What is the total number of pages of the book Leanne read on Tuesday? Okay, so this is all day Tuesday. They're telling us all about Tuesday. So, how many pages? So our final answer to the question is going to be a total number of pages, right? Okay. So let's start trying to figure out some of this math. So over here, this is just a constant. She just read 20 pages. She read it at the library. We don't know about the rate. We just know that we're going to be adding 20 pages at the end. Now, let's find the rate that she read at home once she got home. So she read 6 pages in 10 minutes. And this rate is constant. The question doesn't tell us that the rate changes. So we can assume that she held this rate for the entire 45 minutes that she read. If she kept this rate constant and she read 6 pages in 10 minutes for 45 minutes, how many pages did she read in 45 minutes? We can set up a proportion, right? If she reads 6 pages in 10 minutes, the rate is constant. So we can find out how many pages, X number of pages, that she read in 45 minutes. So we can cross multiply, and we get 6 times 45 is 270. 10x. Okay. Now we can solve this simple equation. We get x equals 27. Now remember, x is pages. We looked up at the question above. Our answer is going to be a total number of pages. Okay, so this 27 represents the number of pages that she read in 45 minutes. So she read 20 pages here earlier today, and then she read 27 pages once she got home. The question is asking us how many pages did she read all day on Tuesday. So we have to add 20 from the library plus 27 from home, and we get 47 pages in total. That is one of the answer choices. So the answer is B. Let's do one more. This is from page 89, number 9. Okay, a 52-week subscription, so a 52-week subscription to a newspaper costs $182. At this rate, so they're asking us the rate, what is the cost of a 12-week subscription? Okay, so the rate is 52 weeks for $182, right? The question tells us this. It's a 52-week subscription. It costs $182. What is this rate? So this rate remains the same, and we just want to know what is the cost of a 12-week subscription. So if we know that we can get 52 weeks of the magazine for $182, our rate is going to be in weeks over dollars. So, in 12 weeks, how many dollars will that cost? Well, this rate doesn't change. The rate remains the same, no matter how many weeks you're going to buy the newspaper for. So therefore, we can set up a proportion of 52 weeks for $182 is equal to 12 weeks for X number of dollars, because we don't know how much that costs. We can cross multiply, and we get 52x equals $2,184. Okay, so I will divide both sides by 52. Now look at x equals 42. X equals 42 what? What is this answer telling me? X equals 42. Well, let's look back at the equation. In 52 weeks, we spent $182 to get the newspaper. So to get the newspaper for 12 weeks, X was the number of dollars that a 12-week subscription would cost. Okay, great. So we know that this is $42. X is $42. So the question says, at this rate, what is the cost of a 12-week subscription to the newspaper? It's going to be $42 right here. We just found that. So the answer is 42, and that is choice